In this video, we're going to explore how to modify a process to adjust the cutting to be even more efficient. So, in ZebraCut, we're going to go to the Configure tab, and we are going to be able to explore how to modify our processes. So I have a nice job here. If I clear it, you'll see you've got different text, and you've got various outer and inner contours in different colours there. However, I've been told that I can actually do my pen marking a little bit faster. So if I click on my pen layer, I'm then brought up with this dialog here, and this allows me to change the cut speeds. So I might want to try and cut at, or pen mark at 1500 millimeters per second, and that is now assigned. And I could then preview or run this job, and it would run a bit quicker. So very straightforward to change settings. So we can simply go to the layer and then change the settings here. Worth noting that if you have the same process applied to multiple layers, you will need to change it for every layer. So if I want to cut a bit more slowly with my knife, maybe set that to 1000. If I go to the next layer, the inner contours, you'll see that the cut speeds are still the same. This allows you a bit more control, so you can modify your processes based on what the layer is for. So I might want to cut these inner ones perhaps even slower because they're quite high radiuses. There we go. If I want to save this configuration and to make sure that it is then set for everything in our library, I can press the Save to Library command, and I have a few choices here. I can either update the process so that every time somebody uses knife cutting for card from the library, it will run with the new speed, or I can press duplicate and I can create another process which has the different speed. So let's just choose duplicate this time, and I'm going to choose to save my library, and you'll see I then have a second one here. Now I very much recommend that when you're changing these settings, you also change the name, otherwise it can get quite confusing. So that's something to bear in mind. So there we go, a quick way to modify your cut settings, and if you wish to save them back to your library. Thank you very much.